Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing we'll discuss about e-commerce marketing. What is e-commerce marketing? Why e-commerce marketing? What are the key elements of e-commerce marketing? What we should be doing and what we should not be doing as far as e-commerce marketing is concerned. Let's get started with it. What is e-commerce marketing? Refers to using the online medium and platforms such as websites, blogs, landing pages, content marketing and social media marketing to promote, advertise, create awareness, drive traffic to website and improve conversions. What we do basically in e-commerce marketing is you have an e-commerce website where you are selling a lot of products under multiple categories, and you have to actually create an awareness and visibility of this e-commerce website out there in the market. And how you can do it? You can create a separate website, you can create a blog, you can create landing pages, you can leverage social media, and you do a lot of content marketing across to actually drive traffic to this e-commerce website, so that the traffic will come to the website, they can check out the products on the website and leading to conversions. And this is precisely what e-commerce marketing is all about. It also refers to formulating and executing paid campaigns in driving traffic. Besides from the organic traffic that could be coming to your website in terms of search engine rankings, in terms of visibility in the search engines, in terms of the content marketing, in terms of social media marketing, you are driving traffic which are basically organic traffic, which is free traffic to your e-commerce website. You can also think of, in fact, most of the e-commerce companies, they do is they actually run paid campaigns, which are PPC campaigns across multiple networks, so that they can get traffic instantly and immediately, because the ads are displayed at the top, and the ads actually drive traffic through the paid campaigns also, and this is also a part of e-commerce marketing. What is the process involved in e-commerce marketing? First is reaching out to people, increase customers, revenue and the order. The first part is this: how you can reach out to people. You can reach out to people through doing a lot of search engine optimization. It means optimizing your website and making the website very good, so that the rankings in the search engines are improved. You do a lot of content writing, you do a lot of content marketing, and you improve the links. You can also do a lot of blogging in terms of writing, publishing, managing ads, linking and tagging. Blogging also will actually help you in driving traffic to your website, and you can also do paid campaigns in terms of running paid advertising, PPC, shopping sites and budgeting ads. Paid campaigns, organic traffic is something that you do to reach out to people and drive traffic to your website. Then comes the store conversion. Once the traffic comes to the website, not everybody will buy. You have to do a lot of testing to ensure that the website, the e-commerce website that you have is completely in tune with the user requirements in terms of user-friendly names, in terms of usability, in terms of user interface and in terms of user experience. These factors need to be taken into consideration to actually engage with the traffic that is coming to your website, so that the conversions can happen. Then have the customer communication, where you build a lot of newsletters by interacting and communicating with your customers and staying in touch with them, regularly sending them emails and newsletters on the new products and the new arrivals on your website. You can also go in for product reviews. Product reviews is an extremely important factor in actually making a traffic, an unknown visitor coming to your website and converting into a customer, because reviews actually play a big role in influencing people to buy a particular product. Surveys is something that you can do in identifying the gray areas, issues, concerns and challenges that may be existing on your website. You do take a lot of feedback, and based on this feedback you take corrective measures, improve and enhance your website for driving more and more conversions. And this is precisely what the process of e-commerce marketing is concerned. Reviews, as we discussed, play a very important role. 72% of consumers trust online reviews as much as recommendations from friends and relatives. Besides from the recommendations of the friends and family, people also do a lot of review reading. because today customers or consumers are very informed person, because we live in a internet driven society. Lot of information is available, wealth of information is available. If I want to buy a particular product, besides from talking to my friends and family, I do a lot of research by going online and reading reviews by experts in the industry. They can influence me as much as 72%. As good reviews of your product, of your service, makes a huge difference in driving conversions, in having very good reviews from the experts, because reviews play a very important role in e-commerce marketing. What are the key elements that are associated with e-commerce marketing? Newsletters, social media exposure, extremely important. The newsletters that you actually publish or do an email marketing campaign in reaching out to the potential customers. Then set up stores and SSL integration, security socket layer, to give trust, belief and confidence to the end user, the traffic that is coming to your website, that your website is safe to do the online shopping, to make online payments. Security socket layer integration plays a very important role in giving confidence to the end user that their online purchase on your website is safe. Then you can also do a lot of banners and review advertisements, then PPC campaigns, paid campaigns. Besides driving from paid organic traffic, you can also do paid traffic. Then coupons and discounts play a huge role in influencing people to buy the products, because they get a lot of discounts. This is something considered a very good strategy in making more and more conversions. SEO strategy, driving traffic organically, improving the search engine rankings by implementing the SEO strategy. Speed optimization, the more the quicker your website is in terms of loading, in terms of displaying pictures, in terms of opening the shopping cart, in terms of payment gateway pages. The speed plays a very important role, because you have lot of products, a lot of images, lot of information on e-commerce sites. Make sure that your speed of the website, e-commerce site, is very good. These are some of the key elements that need to be taken into consideration when building a website and driving traffic to a e-commerce website is concerned. What you should be doing on e-commerce website marketing is something here, it is clearly. There are two things here: shop, buy now, on sale. Doing a lot of shouting when you are doing content marketing, whether on social media, or blogging, or landing pages, anywhere, to promote your e-commerce site. This will never work. The more you shout, the more the people will get irritated. This is not going to work, and this is something that works. The blog posts, the reports, the white papers, explaining people what this e-commerce site is all about, what kind of products you are selling, the quality of the product, the pricing of the product, the customer support of the product, the e-commerce website. This is what is going to work. The more you think of listening to your customer, the more you interact, engage and communicate with your customer, with your content marketing, with your social media presence or social media marketing, the better. Shouting will never work. Interact, engage and communicate with people. Listen to the people, understand their concerns, understand what they want, then pitch in your products. This will work, and this will never work as far as your e-commerce marketing is concerned. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is e-commerce marketing process, the reviews matter a lot, key elements of e-commerce marketing, then the do's and don'ts of e-commerce marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.